Hi, welcome to the Honeybee. What can I get for you today? Oh wow, you're really tall. Sorry. I don't mean that in a bad way. I just... So, sorry about that. So what do you want? Yeah, I can do that. How sweet do you like your lattes? What do you want for a sweetener? We have sugar, honey, we have some creamer. What did you say? Uh, uh, um, did I hear you right? Uh, I'm not a sweetener. You can't, you're very funny. So, what would you like, for real? Excuse me, but, I'm sorry, but I already told you to quit it. If you don't stop, I'm gonna have to ask you to, you're drooling, are you okay? What are you...